Hi everybody, my name is Rick Harber. I'm one of the instructors here at the IUP Academy of Culinary Arts. I'm an alumni of both the Academy of Culinary Arts and IUP. I have my bachelor's and my master's degrees from IUP. So when I graduated from the Academy, I started with an introduction to the Westin La Paloma in Tucson, Arizona. Wonderful property, 4-star, 4-diamond, with a 5-star, 5-diamond restaurant inside of it. After that, I moved to Pittsburgh and I became sous chef of a very exclusive platinum private club called the Duquesne Club. I was there for about 12 years, won a couple gold medals and a couple Best of Show awards under Chef Kokenauer's tutelage, and then moved on to become an executive chef of a platinum club in Philadelphia, that being the Philadelphia Country Club. After that, I became a corporate executive chef for Carnegie Museums in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, where I ran 4 properties, 7 restaurants, and catering/banquets up to 2,500 people. So as far as some of my teaching assignments, in the fall, I teach Introduction to Garde Manger, Stocks, Soups and Sauces, and Hospitality Mathematics. In the spring, I teach Pork, Lamb and Game, Menu and Facility Design, Poultry, and Nutritional Cuisine. Some of my certifications. So I've been a certified executive chef since 2013. I've renewed it every time since that. I've been an ACF member since 1998. Both the Academy and the ACF give you very, very good connections for networking through the industry. So let's talk a little bit about networking in the IUP brand. Networking-wise, you get to meet all the chefs here, and all of us bring our individual qualities to the table. We also know a lot of people in this industry. Personally, I enjoy talking to the people that I know and having them ask me for students from all the different disciplines that we teach here, both baking and pastry and culinary arts. You have the opportunity to meet and network with many top chefs in the United States, and they are constantly calling us. So, some personal interesting fact about me. Well, most students don't know that I'm a professional drummer. We actually have a couple CDs, and some of my friends are recording engineers, one of whom works in Akron and used to work in Nashville. Thank you very much.